Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix GCash app game not opening. So first go to settings. After that scroll down, click on apps. Now just find out the app, or you can search it from search. GCash, click on that, scroll down, go to storage. Now on the bottom left, click on clear cache, click on back, click on force stop. Okay, after that go to Play Store and update your app, and finally restart your phone. And that's how you can fix the issue. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel.